फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू समर स्टडीज़। तो आज हम लोग क्लास 6 साइंस एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक का चैप्टर 1 फूड वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले हमारे चैनल को अगर आप अभी तक लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो कृपया कर दें। फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू समर स्टडीज़। तो आज हम लोग क्लास 6 साइंस एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक का चैप्टर 1 फूड वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले हमारे चैनल को अगर आप अभी तक लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो कृपया कर दें। Hi friends, welcome to summer studies. So today we will learn about food, where does it come from. तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। What do you eat at your home today? आज आपने अपने घर में क्या खाया? Find out what your friend ate today. आप ढूंढिए कि आपके फ्रेंड ने आज क्या खाया। क्या आपने एक ही तरीके का खाना आज और कल दोनों दिन खाया? नहीं। We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? हम लोग अलग अलग टाइम पे अलग अलग खाना खाते हैं। फूड वैरायटी एक्टिविटी 1। आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends in different states of India. आप फाइंड कीजिए कि आपके फ्रेंड आज क्या खाए और वो पूरे दिन में वो क्या खाए। List all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1, as many friends as possible. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food items made up of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just only two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. So what is the ingredient? Ingredients are needed to prepare a dish, or materials which are needed to prepare a dish are known as ingredients. Okay friends, on the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. कुछ खाने में बहुत सारे ingredients होते हैं। We need different kinds of vegetables. To prepare a vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil and so on. अगर हमें वेजिटेबल करी बनाना है तो हमें डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ अलग अलग तरह के वेजिटेबल, सॉल्ट, स्पाइसेस, ऑयल और बहुत कुछ लगेगा। Food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, for instance, where do they come from? Plants, of course. जो भी हम लोग ने टेबल 1.2 में जो हम लोगों ने इंग्रेडिएंट्स नेम किए वो सब कहाँ से आते हैं? प्लांट से आते हैं, लाइक रोटी, आटा व्हीट से आते हैं तो वो भी प्लांट्स से। दाल, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ पल्सेस also come from plants. What are the sources of rice and wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants which give us these grains. And then there are food items like milk, meat, chicken, fish, prawns, beef, pork and such others which come from animals. यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ फूड्स भी हैं जो एनिमल से आते हैं, लाइक एग, मीट, चिकन, फिश, प्रॉन्स, बीफ, पोर्क एक्सेट्रा, जो कि एनिमल से आते हैं। What do we conclude from activity 3? Plants are the sources of ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, fruits, etc. Animals provide us with milk, meat, प्रोडक्ट्स एंड एग्स। एनिमल्स हमें मिल्क, मीट प्रोडक्ट्स और एग प्रोवाइड करते हैं। काउज, गोट्स एंड बफेलोज आर सम कॉमन एनिमल्स दैट गिव अस मिल्क। तो ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, नेम 3 एनिमल्स विच गिव्स अस मिल्क। सो द आंसर विल बी cows, goats and buffaloes. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which gives us milk? 1.3 Plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. Which parts of a plant are these? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots and sometimes stems and even flowers. Have you ever eaten a pumpkin? Flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Some plants have 2 or more edible means eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as vegetables. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used to as food? Think of more examples where many parts of a single plant are used as food. Take some seeds of मूंग और चना. मूंग और चने के थोड़े दाने ले लीजिए. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. कंटेनर में उस स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में वाटर फिल कर दीजिए और उसको रख दीजिए एक दिन के लिए. नेक्स्ट डे वाटर को स्टेन कर दीजिए और फिर लीव द सीड्स इन द वेसल. उस सीड्स को आप एक बड़े से कटोरी में रख लीजिए. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have been sprouted. Meaning of sprouts. What is the meaning of sprouts? A small white structure which have grown out of seeds. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day, covered with a wet cloth. The next day, see if the seeds have sprouted. Do you know where the honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar that is sweet juices from flowers. Nectars are the sweet juices which have been produced from flowers. Now they convert it into honey and store in their hive or combs. Find flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of year. So bees stores this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect food by the bees as honey. What do different animals eat? Animals are basically categorized into herbivorous, carnivores and omnivores. Now what is omnivores? Omnivores are those animals which eat both plants and animals. What is carnivores? Animals which eat other animals are known as carnivores, and animals which eat plant products are known as herbivores. So bye friends, thank you for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye friends.